Hello everyone. Welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and we are going to study about a very important personality, a very famous poetess, writer, and also a very humble, down-to-earth person, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ji. आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं एक ऐसी महिला के बारे में जिनका योगदान हमारे लिटरेचर में भी रहा है, जिनके बारे में आपने स्कूल टाइम्स में बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा होगा। अगर कॉलेज में आपने हिंदी लिटरेचर लिया था तो उसमें भी आपने इनके बारे में पढ़ा होगा। सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान जी का कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन भुलाए नहीं भूला जा सकता। इनकी पोएम्स जो इन्होंने फॉर्म की थी, क्रिएट की थी, क्रिएटिव इंस्टिंक्ट्स इनकी, और इनकी हम्बलनेस, इनका योगदान जो रहा है हमारे इंडियन नेशनल फ्रीडम मूवमेंट में, ये सारे पॉइंट्स इनको एक बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव मतलब मेंटली बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव, बहुत ही क्रिएटिव और बहुत ही हम्बल डाउन टू अर्थ पर्सनालिटी के तौर पर निखार के लाती हैं इनके कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस। तो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन डिटेल अबाउट सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान मैम फ्रॉम द परस्पेक्टिव ऑफ योर प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन इन जीएस पेपर 1। देखो मेंस में जो जीएस पेपर 1 है उसमें पर्सनालिटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, ओके, एंड इन प्रीलिम्स आल्सो इन द मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री दे आस्क यू इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस। इन प्रीलिम्स आल्सो you can expect at least 8 questions or minimum 4 questions, that means 16 to 8 to 16 marks directly coming from important personalities in the modern Indian history. So accordingly we are going to study about Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am from the perspective of both prelims and mains, and if you have history optional then you need to study about Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am. Let's get started. The class PDF will be uploaded on our Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease. Now, why Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am was in news? Because Google recently, few days back, marked famous poet Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am, the Indian poet who wrote the famous poem Jhansi Ki Rani on her 117th birth anniversary with a doodle. अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही 117th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट किया गया सुभद्रा कुमारी मैम के मैम का, एंड उसके उपलक्ष्य में गूगल ने डूडल क्रिएट किया इस तरीके का। यू मस्ट हैव सीन इट, गूगल सर्च तो करते होगे ना, आपने देखा होगा सर्च इंजन के ऊपर ये डूडल बना हुआ था। एंड हियर वी सी झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, बिकॉज शी रोट अ वेरी फेमस पोएम अबाउट झांसी की रानी विच इज स्टिल फेमस। अगर आप अपने पेरेंट्स से पूछोगे उनको भी ये पोएम याद होगी। तो ये जो, और प्लस शी ऑल्सो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द फ्रीडम मूवमेंट, सो यू कैन सी इन द डूडल बोथ हर parts have been you can say depicted, okay, both her creativity and her contribution have been depicted, so that is why she was in news. So Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am was an Indian poet. One of her most popular poems is Jhansi Ki Rani. Jhansi Ki Rani is the queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai. You must have studied about her in your history textbooks in schools. तो सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान मैम का जन्म होता है 16 अगस्त को, इसीलिए 16 अगस्त को 117वीं इस साल एनिवर्सरी इनकी सेलिब्रेट की गई थी, बर्थ एनिवर्सरी। She left her body on 16th of Feb 1948, 1 year after we got independence, and she was an Indian poet. Now she was born in the Rajput family because Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am Chauhan family से थी, Rajput family से थी, and she was born in Uttar Pradesh. Initially she went to the Crossway girls school in Prayagraj. Then she also cleared her middle school examination 1919 में इन्होंने अपना middle school examination भी clear किया। एंड इनकी शादी होती है ठाकुर लक्ष्मण सिंह चौहान से, जो कि खांडवा के रहने वाले थे, 1919 में। व्हेन शी पास्ड हर मिडिल स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन शी वाज मैरिड ऑफ टू ठाकुर लक्ष्मण सिंह चौहान जी, अगेन इन द राजपूत फैमिली, एंड शी वाज जस्ट 16 years of age at that point. And in this marriage she gave birth to 5 beautiful children. तो शादी के बाद क्या हुआ, इसी शादी के बाद 5 बहुत ही हुनर और बहुत ही काबिल बच्चों की ये माँ बनती हैं। After marriage with ठाकुर लक्ष्मण सिंह चौहान of खांडवा, same year she moved to जबलपुर। जबलपुर को पहले जुबलपुर बोला जाता था, ठीक है। तो अब क्या होता है कि शादी के 1 साल बाद ही ये जबलपुर शिफ्ट हो जाती है। एंड इन 1941 सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान एंड हर हस्बैंड जॉइंड महात्मा गांधी जीज नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट। तो ये पहली विमेन सत्याग्रही थी, पहली महिला सत्याग्रही थी जिनको नागपुर के कोर्ट में अरेस्ट किया गया था, और 2 बार इनको जेल भी भेजा जा चुका है बिकॉज ये प्रोटेस्ट में इन्वॉल्व थी। Okay, so under the British rule, twice she went to the jail also. Very bravely she, faced everything. She supported Mahatma Gandhi ji, and in 1923 and 42 she was arrested also. She was also a member of Legislative Assembly of the state. and unfortunately because of a car accident that she was involved in, she left her body in 1948. She was on her way back to Jabalpur, okay, and she had to attend an assembly session, but during the unfortunate car accident she left her body. So here we need to understand her contributions from the perspective of your exams, and also from the perspective of knowing the brief history of the personalities who were involved in achieving freedom and literary freedom in for our country, especially the women, you can say nationalist freedom fighters and the women literary writers. So Chauhan ma'am authored a number of popular works in Hindi poetry. Famous work तो उनका झांसी की रानी की poem थी, because it was a really emotionally charged poem which described the entire life of Rani Lakshmibai, and also this was the poem which contributed to enhancing the nationalist sentiments among the Indians. बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. आप इस पोएम को जब बोलते हो, आई एम हैविंग गूज़बम्प्स राइट नाउ जस्ट बाय नरेटिंग दीज टू स्टैंजास. तो जब आप इस पूरी पोएम को पढ़ोगे ना, आपके अंदर भी देशभक्ति के प्रति एक ऊर्जा आ जाएगी, एक एनर्जी आ जाएगी. सो हियर यू कैन सी, सिंहासन हिल उठे राजवंशों ने भ्रुकुटी तानी थी, बूढ़े भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जवानी थी, गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी, दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी, चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. दिस इज द ओपनिंग स्टैंजा ऑफ झांसी की रानी इन हिंदी. So I will, narrate this in English also, translate this into English. The thrones shook and royalty scowled. Old India was reinvigorated with new youth. People realized the value of lost freedom. Everybody was determined to throw the foreigners out. The old sword glistened again in 1857. The story we heard from the mouths of Bundel bards. Like a man she fought. She was the Queen of Jhansi. This is the English translation for the opening stanza of Jhansi Ki Rani, poem written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am. This is how energetic her poems used to be. इस तरीके की एनर्जी डाल देती थी कि आपके अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली ऊर्जा आ जाती थी कि आप ब्रिटिशर्स को फेस कर सकते हो. एंड सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान मैम रोट इन द खरी बोली डायलेक्ट ऑफ हिंदी, वेरी प्योर फॉर्म ऑफ हिंदी. खरी बोली को बहुत प्योर फॉर्म बोला जाता है हिंदी का. इन अ वेरी सिंपल क्लियर क्लिस्टर स्टाइल शी यूज्ड टू राइट हर पोएम्स. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द हीरोइक पोएम्स शी आल्सो रोट पोएम्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन. देखो पोएम नहीं होता, पोएम होता है, ई को हटा देते हैं, ठीक है. शी wrote some short stories based on the life of the middle class people as well. So okay, before we move any forward, this is a small announcement. Unacademy is starting and launching 60 days prelims crash course for the students who are preparing for 2021 attempt. अगर आप 2021 के attempt की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो आपके लिए 60 days का ये crash course UPSC का Unacademy ने लॉन्च किया है. 45 days के crash courses हैं जिसके अंदर टेस्ट सीरीज इन्वॉल्व है, प्रैक्टिस सेक्शंस होंगे, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस विल बी देयर. वी आर गोइंग टू कवर द करंट अफेयर्स, 1 year करंट अफेयर राउंड अप, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस कवरेज, प्रीलिम्स और मेंस के एनालिसिस बैचेस होंगे. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू सब्सक्राइब टुडे. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज कोड अर्पिता10. ये कोड यूज करके यू कैन गेट इजीली 10% डिस्काउंट ऑन योर प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन. ओके, सो यूजिंग दिस कोड अर्पिता10 you will be able to get 10% discount. So make sure if you are preparing for 2021 you can revise also, and this is available only at just rupees 15,000, whereas officially on any other source, through any other source you will get test series worth rupees 8,000 or test series worth rupees 10,000 or 15,000. But here you are getting not just a test series, the doubt clearing sessions also, previous year question coverage also, 1 year current affair roundup, batches, crash courses, everything at just rupees 15,000 including the test series. So make sure that you make the most of the offers that Unacademy is providing to ease your journey. We are also conducting an All India free scholarship test. All India free scholarship test, that is UPSC Combat, wherein in 60 minutes you will have to solve 56 questions. This will also include the current affairs coverage. And you can stand a chance to win a scholarship from a pool of rupees 4 crore. So this is your chance. This Unacademy Combat is conducted every Sunday. So now it will be conducted on 22nd of August because it's a Sunday on that day. And it will be conducted live at 11 AM. तो live अगर आप attempt करते हो इस free scholarship test को, तभी जाकर आपको आपका स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी अगर आपकी रैंक 1 से रैंक 500 तक आती है. Okay, you can also use the invite code Arpita10. So do not forget to enroll today. The link is given below in the description box below the video. Now let's study about the role that she played during the freedom movement. She became a very important and crucial part of the Indian nationalist movement in 1921. 1919 में देखो इनकी शादी होती है. She was just 16 years of age in 1919. And after 2 years she joined the Indian national movement at just the age of 18 years. देखो the difference between today's 18-year-olds and at that time during the freedom fight, the 18-year-olds, the difference was the 18-year-olds during the time of when we were under the Britishers, those 18-year-olds, those teenagers, they knew the purpose of their life. They had already decided the purpose of their life. They already knew what they want to do, what will be their priority. उनकी प्रायोरिटी क्या होगी. They were very clear headed, very clear minded. They were not very materialistic. They were not running after any materialistic pleasure. So they were clear headed. Now because now the 18-year-olds, they are on Instagram, they are on Facebook, they are either in a relationship or they are looking out for a relationship, or they are into the clubs, the pubs, they are partying, enjoying their lives. So they are not very clear minded, not very clear headed, and that is why they fail to see their purpose in life. And I was also at the same place. ऐसा नहीं है कि I am very perfect. No, we all have our own imperfections. But what I have experienced with after studying so many books, after studying about so many personalities, after self-experiencing so many things, a purpose is required. If you do not have the purpose, you will always feel lost in whatever field you are into. You will feel lost if you do not know why you are into that field, whether it's UPSC or it's any other exam or business, etc. So that is why you need to get your purpose straight. And for that, you need to clear your head. You need to clear your mind. And how you can do that? By detaching yourself from the materialistic pleasures, because pleasures are not long lasting. They will shed off one day or the other. And that was the mindset of those who were fighting in the freedom struggle. She became the first women satyagrahi in 1923, and during 1940s she published about 88 poems and 46 short stories. देखो ये पहली महिला सत्याग्रही थी 1923 में, तो ये पॉइंट याद रखिएगा, ठीक है. Who was the first women satyagrahi? It was Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am ji. Okay. G I am adding out of respect. So we have studied so far that Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am was an Indian poet. She wrote in the Khariboli dialect of Hindi. It was very simple language that anybody could understand. One of her most popular poem is Jhansi Ki Rani, the Queen of Jhansi. जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर के बारे में भी इन्होंने पोएम लिखी थी. देन शी ऑल्सो रोट द वीरों का कैसा हो बसंत पोएम, राखी की चुनौती, विदा. शी ओपनली टॉक्ड अबाउट फ्रीडम मूवमेंट. शी ऑल्सो गॉट अरेस्टेड ट्वाइस. शी वॉज द फर्स्ट वुमेन सत्याग्रही in 1923. She inspired a lot of women to participate in the Indian freedom movement. Okay, and the ICGA Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, which is an Indian Coast Guard ship, it was named after Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ma'am only. So this was all about Subhadra Kumari Chauhan ji. I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and I hope now you will be firm-minded and clear-headed when it comes to finding your purpose in life. On this note, we are wrapping up this session. Thank you everyone.